Hello. How's it going? I'm back. Don't mind the clinking. It's a natural noise of piercings on glass. Hey everybody. It's me. Excuse me if I sneeze every now and then. Something's going on. Dry or I don't know. I've been sneezing all day. Alright. For anybody watching this video for the first time, I'm Scott V. Hadrian. That's me. This is my book, Orbem. Sci-fi fantasy author. Award-winning, I like to put everywhere, because I won the 2023 BookFest award in the sci-fi humorous category. Because Orbem is both hard science fiction and humorous. I like to keep it snarky. A lot of funniness. Good mix. The book has a good mix of humor, you know, science, fantasy. And yeah, this is day 5, I want to say, where Facebook has disabled my ads account. Boop. Boop. There we go. Alright, yes, let's update that one. New views. Alright, they still have not responded to me. They responded to me trying to reach out multiple times and saying, hey, stop reaching out. Because, wait for us to talk to you, apparently. That's not going great. Not very... I'm not getting a lot of confidence that I'm going to get my ads account back anytime soon. Yeah, look at that. Account disabled. Verified payment method. It doesn't matter. It won't even let me do that. Look. It won't work. And then it tells me to contact support. Takes me here. And I go, ooh, cool. Let's write a fucking message. And I do. And I submit it. And I did it 3 times now. And then they complain that I'm asking for help too many times. Wait, we'll call you, don't call us. That's what I've been getting. Yeah, it really sucks. While Facebook ads are horribly overpriced. They were generating sales, you know. Because Amazon ads are not as successful. And I can do a lot, like work on the text and stuff for my ads, but at the end of the day, there's only so much you can do on AMS, which is the Amazon's ads manager service. And yeah, this is all from my book, by the way. So if you go here, you'll see this is Orbem. Just got a bunch of new ratings, which is great. I'm up to 30, still above 4 stars. What's up? It's great. When I saw the jump from 26 to 30 ratings, I got very nervous. But well, my sales ranking is going down and down. The got a new review, which is great. New 5-star review, which is very appreciative. I really appreciate everybody who leaves a review. You know, not only is it feedback for me when I write more of the series, but it just, you know, gives me really great affirmation to continue writing. What doesn't give me great affirmation to continue writing is somebody giving me a 1-star rating and no review. Like, who are you? Why would you give a 1-star rating and not complain, you know? This is your chance. 2-star ratings, same thing. Obviously, more than one 2-star rating. And look what I got here. No reviews. Right. I just hate your book. Why would I tell you why? Deal with it. Deal with my shitty rating. And then I look at some of the books I like. Like King's Dark Tidings. 4,259 ratings. And they got a 4.7. Motherfucker. I like the King's Dark Tidings series. But this is... Whoa, this is book 5. Holy shit. I read 1 and 2. I think I started 3, maybe. I ran out of books, basically. They were in the middle of the series, and I haven't caught up. But where I left off, it might have started getting out of control. It's basically... whatever. I'm not gonna... I was about to go into, like, the entire series and what that book was about. Very cool book. Basically, dude's trained his whole life to be an assassin to protect the king in like a secret castle, but you know, is never allowed to leave. And then everybody dies but him in that castle, and he's like, what do I do? I'm like the best assassin in the world. And basically, I have like all these skills. And the last message that my teacher told me was, you know, go find friends. And he lives by like all these rules, like literally by these rules. He lives by them, like as if they're the Bible to him, the commandments, you know. And the last one that the teacher gave him was, you know, go always protect your friends or something like that, which, spoiler alert, he misheard that last rule. I think the actual rule was like never trust anybody, you know, or something like that. And so he goes on this misguided adventure with zero idea of the real world, and is super awkward because he doesn't know anything about anybody. He's never been outside the castle his whole life. He's just been taught to kill. And then he tries to find friends. with like 0 social skills. Yeah. It's good. It's good. It's good. Some of my fight scenes were inspired by some of the fight scenes in the Dark Tidings series. It's very good. Alright, back to me. Orbem. Sorry for missing yesterday's stream. I was tired. I slept. That's gonna happen sometimes. And I'm just motivated enough to get some work done on Orbem Explorer. And that would be local. Alright. Here we are. Boop. So I've been doing this thing where every other day I do either a bug fix or a new feature. The last stream I worked on a new feature, which was magic. Now I didn't finish it. Let's see, where did we leave off? Magic, right here. But I did get it so I can add magic spells through an API REST endpoint. And we have an image that's not working. Oops. What the hell's empty cells? Interesting. I don't know what that is. What the hell? Error, okay. Oh, okay, there we go. So here's the spell. If you look at the spell here, I will click it. Boom, engage. You know we like engage. Basically what that means is if you have a spell equipped, like you gained a new spell, magic spell, and you click it, that means you can use it. So you can have a few down here on the bottom left, and you can click and select which one you want to use. In this case I made Tarka, which is a protection spell, barrier, and when you use it, which my using keys are, what did I say I was gonna do? I know T was supposed to do something. T for Tarka. That doesn't make sense. I need like a button. T? No. Magic for M. No, I think T was for transport. Which I got transportation. Boop, boop, boop. Got that working already. I don't remember. Whatever. So here's what we're gonna do. We're going to fix the transportation recharge feature. That'd be great. If I get that fixed tonight, I'll feel accomplished. Basically what that means is once the spell or the power charge of my transportation device gets to a certain point, I want it to slowly start regenerating. And you'll have to wait a certain point before you can use it again. Oh man, I don't even have PHP Storm open. My bad. Let me open up my IDE. Did I say sneezing? I meant yawning. But what's new, right? This is the yawn channel. The channel in which I yawn incessantly. Alright. Code is ready. So recharge is here. Let's spell usage. That's what I was about to work on. Alright, so click transport is here. And it takes away 25% of the bar every time you use it. And then what I was doing was once it gets down 50%, start to recharge slowly. But what was happening is that it kept like adding a new int val, a new interval every time you clicked. So it was like recharging really quickly. So instead, every time you click it, I want to delete the current and then start a new one. So in that case, let's do this. Window. I'm the worst to listen to right now. I apologize. Probably not going to get any shorts out of this session. What do you guys think? You like the shorts? You know you need 5 million public short views in order to start monetizing your channel. Not crazy. 5 million. You know what I'm at right now? 2,000. That's a lot to me. 5 million? No, let's do the math. I'm actually really surprised. I'm seeing less users than usual in the stream, which I know like 10 of these usually are bots, so the fact is there's only 3 users in the chat right now. So bots got deleted or something. Good for whoever did that. Okay, here we go. So 5,002,000, right? 2,000 divided by 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's sad. 1, 2. So I have 0.04% of the amount of views that I need. Not even 1%. Not even 0.5%. Not even 0.1%. Yeah. So let's see. 0.04. And I have been doing these shorts for maybe 10 days. That's not how you do it. So 0.04% I need, so if I've been doing it for 10 days and I've gotten 0.04% of what I need, then how many days will it take to get 5 million? I guess we can just do 5 million views in 10. Well, let's just do 2,000. Yeah, 5 million divided by 2,000 times 10. So 25,000 days. That doesn't sound right. What am I doing? 5 million divided by 2,000. Okay. So I need 2,500 more 2,000s. Yeah, okay. It was right. So that's 25,000 days. Alright, cool. Cool. Okay, we have a goal. 25,000 times divided by 365. Perfect. Okay, so we have a goal, guys. In 68.5 years, I'll be able to monetize these videos, my channel. Love it. Alright, let's keep going. We're almost there. Alright, so I got the interval running, blah blah blah. Oh, no, I don't need this anymore. I think I was too tired when I wrote this shit. Okay. So we're setting this, but we're clearing it first. So we'll clear it if it exists. If it doesn't, it's setting it, blah blah blah. I actually think this is just gonna work. Logic-wise, it makes sense. Let's double check. Oops. Alright. Okay. Let's see if the recharge works. Yeah. It's definitely working. What if I try again? Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. I think that's it, guys. It's moving the right speed. Very slow. Which is what I wanted. Because if you run out, I want you to have to wait a bit before you can recharge enough to do another transport. Now, it would look much smoother if it went by 1. So we're going to do 1. And we'll do 2 though. 2 seconds. Which will be slower than it is now, but like I said, I can put variables for these numbers that speed it up as you level up. I'm going to create a leveling system where everything is controlled by the level you're at. So there will be variables for speed, speed of things, power, health, all that kind of stuff. There'll be variables that are controlled by the level you're at. Alright, so boop, boop, boop. There you go. Does that look like a 1? Maybe. I don't know. Oh, wait a second. Shoot. No, that's right. Oh, it's at 0. Can I do it even if it's at 1? No, I can't. Hey, let me do it like 1 extra time. Oh, that's weird. Let me try again. Yeah, and then it like resets. That's weird. Still works though. So my power is recharging. I bet it goes full when it goes to the next area. No, oh, I forgot. I completely disassociated this menu, the points menu. Alright. I think that bug's fixed. New bug that I know will exist right now is when I walk up to this, it's gonna go away. Because the little red dot hit box for some reason hits it. Yeah, there you go. When I move up, see it moves up. So I really need to make sure that I am actively hitting the space bar for it to go. Look at that. Is that power bar not going to 100? It's like it doesn't want to. 96. Stopped at 96. Wonder why. Hey, let's get rid of that hey console. Hey. Thanks, dude. Alright, hold on. Recharge. Yeah, so here's how it works. There's an int val, there's a interval, clears, starts. So if it starts and it's less than or equal to 100, which 96 is definitely not, then it should keep going up by 1. Interesting. So why, maybe if I transport again? Yeah, look, it's going up again. Interesting. Is it gonna start But what? Why is it going up by 5 still? I changed you to 1. Yeah, look, it's 1. Oh shit. I changed one and not the other. Oh, that must be why it's confused. Got it. Alright, well now it's both. So, if I go to 50%, pop, pop, it should start coming up by 1. Yes, that is 1. Love it. Slow. You really have to think about your usage of transportation. Yeah, thanks. Correct. So what should we fix first? I mean, second. Should we fix collisions? Because right now, collisions are a bit wonky. Like, if you collide into something, it can push you through a collision point. Which I don't like. I get it, because you're not moving. And it detects the collision points when you're moving. So if you're not moving and someone pushes you in, then you're fine. So like right here, I'm not moving. Well, I'm trying to move. Well, they're conflicting though, because I can't go through her character. And I can't go through the walls, but for some reason her collision points trump. Because it's about the interaction. I don't even know where to start with that bug. Oh look, I'm almost fully recharged. Love it. So, I definitely don't like that projectiles are acting like items. Oh, look at that. My fucking... Oh no, it's still recharging. Why is it so slow out of nowhere? I guess it's working. Is it not working when I walk or something? No, it's working. Oh, I transported again, didn't I? Okay, that's not what I want. See, if you transport again, I don't want it to start recharging again until you get to 50. So it should technically stop. So let's clear the interval here. Every time you use a click transport, let's clear the interval. Right? Stop recharge. Because you want it to not be recharging the transport power if you keep trying to transport. But you're not at 50% yet. So I think this will work. Alright, so let's see. We need to get into the projectile logic. What I want is for projectiles to be their own beast, right? Like, I don't want them to be like items where you can get no points on them. Even though they get deleted and refreshed. I don't want them to give you points when they hit you. Because right now they are giving you health, basically. Ooh, enemy, yes, the security button. Why is this? See, I don't like that this is giving me an error. See this is what hit me, and it gave me... What's this a 500? Hold please. Oh, this first one was. I wonder why. The handler. What does that mean? I don't know, it looks fine. Huh. Well, looks like it recharges 100%. That's good. I think we're good. Okay. But when it hits, see, security bot 95 1. Oh, it's hitting me. Security bot, projectile. Wait, what? Hold. Oh. Oh. Did I punch him? So I want that. And then that. Projectiles is making my health go down. Making my health go down. 98. 97. Yep. 93. 92. Da, 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 da. 91, 90. This better be 89. Okay. Interesting. So that means what does that mean? Security bot. Oh yeah, here we go. Export points. So this is telling me that security bot gets 100 health, which I don't know why it would tell you that. That doesn't matter. And then I started getting hit myself with projectile. Okay. So the problem is that it gets considered an item. It seems like the problem where it goes away when I hit it though is gone. Because it's still hurting me. Oh, here we go. Our first bug. Why? Saying 71, security boot. Enemy. Enemy. Here we go. Alright, let's check out why this is going down. So, enemy. Health, user ID, and the position. Position. Enemy. No. Position. Security boot. Yes. Health. Yes. 1. Okay. That seems correct. And then something's happening here. Wait, what? What happened to my save enemy function? Oh, did I copy it and not Well, shoot. seems like I thought I copied the save enemy function for another function, probably, and then ending up just replacing it. That makes sense. Why health is not being saved now? Shit. So in position health user ID. Alright. I guess we'll just use that spell. Or maybe I should use add user points. Maybe. Should be the same thing, right? Save enemy. Yeah, it's basically saving their health. So what do we got? Position, health, user ID. User ID. Health. Position. User ID. Now let's use user. Health instead of points. And we'll go health. Get rid of type. Explore enemy. I think, right? Shit, I don't even know. Enemy. Enemies. 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 Save. Enemy. Oh, there we go. MA7 Malvich. Hey, how's it going, man? Welcome back. My WordPress buddy. I am rewriting a function from the WordPress restaurant that I deleted by accident. I actually replaced it. I think I thought I was copying it, but I ended up just writing over it. So now I'm rewriting it. Trying to remember what I did before. Doing pretty good. It's really tired. I didn't stream yesterday, but definitely wanted to do some bug fixes today. Because last time I streamed, I worked on new things, which was magic. I worked on magic last stream, but I'll reset Monday. I'll go back to doing bug fixes again. I'm trying to do bug fixes Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. I'm supposed to be doing new things, but yeah. So, yep, got all this. Don't need any of this. Let's do explore enemies. Cool. Explore enemies. Enemies. Explore enemies. Those guys. user. Am I using user meta? Shoot, let's double check. I don't really remember. I feel like it's just map items, saved health. So if it's an enemy. Oh, okay. I'm getting the speed. Health is from where? Explore point, post name, health. Oh. Okay. So it's post meta then. Alright, all in that case. I will get post meta. So what's in user enemies then? Is it just the what's in here? Saved health. Oh, I'm using the ID. I'm using the name to get the health value. So I kind of need both. Got it. In that case, I'll need the post meta. That would mean I guess I don't need post meta because I have the name right here. It's position. So I need get user meta, explore enemies, right? And then explore enemies equals explore enemies. Position. Right. Well, let's just do this then. It equals explore enemies. Position. Wow. Shoot. So I need the health. So enemy health equals explore enemies. Nope, I don't care about that. I need to set the health. So we'll do this. Position, health. How's work going for you? Your freelance work nice and busy? Health. And then we'll set the health. And that's fine. So if this exists, oh yeah, that's good, but still use builder. That's fine, man. Honestly, don't feel like you're less of a WordPress developer for using a page builder or a theme builder. You're not. We're all just using tools that other people built, right? Shit, I mean, I didn't build PHP Storm, I didn't build PHP, I didn't build JavaScript. all about the level of complexity that you're utilizing. It's not about, you know, how much work you're actually doing based off of how easy the tool makes it for you, right? At the end of the day, we're just trying to make things better. Better performance, better interface, better for the end user, better for the developer. So yeah, I mean, how we do that is case by case. Sometimes theme builders are better, right? Maybe it has all the bells and whistles that your site needs. Why reinvent the wheel? You know, we do that all the time. We try to reuse big swaths of code that other people already did. We fork GitHubs. You know. I think more of my point about not using theme builders was it's good to learn exactly how to do it. Definitely depends on the client budget. You're right. Yeah. Because I mean, it's like, hey dude, do you have the budget for me to build this correctly so that you don't have to have a bunch of developers rebuilding it for you in the future? Or do you have the budget for me to just knock this shit out in 2 days? Because if that's the case, here comes all my fucking templates and page builders and you know what I mean? Yeah. That's the true world of freelance for sure. And agencies. Shit. I work with agencies all the time, you know? And they're in the same boat. They're like, wait, you want this done when? For how much? You know. Well, we're gonna have to go pretty fucking jank on this. ACF, you know. All the page builders. I had an agency tell us one time, it's like, okay, first what we'll do is we'll build the website in Wix just to get the first version out while we work on the real one. And yeah, I felt a little sick hearing that mentality. But yeah, in my country, build website for $50. Yeah, that makes sense. Different countries have different budgets. Different developers in different countries get different pay. If you're a developer in, you know, Mexico or, you know, the Middle East or whatever, you're gonna get paid pennies on the dollar, right? For the same work that a US-based developer is gonna make. That's just the way world economics work. And that's the main reason why big corporations will contract out from other countries, is to save money. Because there's drawbacks, right? Language barriers, time zones. Makes it difficult to work with. Offshore employment. It's a major benefit and a major downfall for a lot of teams. It's kind of a balancing act, right? But they all have their place. And I know they can be really good. You know, some of my greatest teammates have been developers that are offshore working for agencies, and they've made major impacts on giant companies. So at the end of the day, it's about the developer. It's not about where you come from, you know, what level of expertise you have. A good developer is about the person making the right decisions, putting the effort into learning, putting the effort into asking questions. you know? Not just a code monkey that takes a task, does it, and walks away with no regard for the impact or the final result. Yeah. So this is going to add this to this. Feel like, though, I should set, I don't know, maybe this will just work. I always forget if like this is gonna break because these don't exist, but I'm setting them, so they should exist after I set them. Let's give this a shot. I want to double check how I'm using it though. So explore enemies, I'm gonna get that. And, oh, I need enemy type, which I'm not currently setting. Explore enemy, wait. Explore enemy type is from the post ID. Okay, so yeah, I don't need that. Alright, let's just try this. Should work. Yeah, right. That's my health. Correct. Now I have to punch him. Alright, I punched him. And I'm getting 200s. Appears to be working. Boo. So he should have 90 health when I refresh. If all this worked out. Because right now we've got character area and enemy. Enemy has 90 health. And if I refresh, if he has 90 health, then the bug is fixed. So far it looks like he has 100 health, so does not appear to be working. Oh god, what the hell? Where did you come from? Oh, son of a bitch. I reset the enemy health. Oh god. Yeah, so it works, but it's not what I was originally doing, obviously. Or this guy wouldn't be pushing me out of the map right now. I hate you. I hate you, Pop Socket. Transport, transport, transport. Okay. Let's do this. Let's pull up the database. I'm basically reverse engineering. Damn it. I'm reverse engineering this fucking rest route that I built before and forgot. Version control sounds good. Why isn't my transport not Huh? Oh, okay. Okay. Let's pull up the database. Okay. So this is going to be in post. Where is this going to be in? Explore and oh no, it's in user meta where I'm saving all the current health. So let's go to user meta. And the new meta IDs, explore enemies. Okay. So So I am saving you here with the health. So that's good. But how am I defining the health in server side land? Data enemy type is coming from the post meta. Health is coming from... Here we go. We're good. Explore health. What the fuck is the point of explore enemies? Saved health. Health. Oh. What? Oh, this is like default. Health is default. But if this exists, which it should, then I should get this. And then the database, this exists, so then I should get this. Huh. Well, it looks good. Let's see why I'm not getting 100. Oh, whoops. Do 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 do. Let's walk over here. Do do do. Find out what's up with all these bad guys. Don't push me out of the map. I know you want to. Okay. So let's look at the enemies. Explore areas. Okay. Explore enemy. So I got security boot. His health is 80. Ooh. But that's what it says here. Okay, well shit. Maybe it is working. Then I'm just tripping. Alright, let's figure out what this is happening though. Okay, so runner type. So new enemy is not on the interval, is not finding this for some reason. Why? What the hell is it finding then? There's a dog in here. Okay. Nope. Okay, so I got the crew selector. Getting it from the clean class name. Let's double check that the class names look good. Oh, stop trying to push me, dick. Explore enemy. Explore enemy. Okay, here we go. Data, health. He's got 100 health. Yes. No point engage. Perfect. Oh, it's probably because there's some extra shit in the name. Let's see what we got here in the clean name. I've got to remove all these classes, but sometimes I add new classes and then it doesn't have that. Here we go. Yes, yes. Nope, engage is in there. Okay. Yeah, right. What's not in there? So we got block group, map item, yep. And then we got map item, yep. And then we got is layout flow, yep. And then we got group is layout flow, yep. No point, yep. Engage net. It's perfect. It's got the lot. Alright, well. Then why are you not correct? That's my... Runner. What you got? Console. see here. Why are you console logging? Come at me, bro. Hit me. Whack. Alright. Okay. No, wrong way. Hit me into here. Huh. I'm not getting console error anymore. What's the point? Maybe if I hit him? Bop. Bop, 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 bop. I don't like when things just start working, you know what I mean? Like, I'd really wish the console error would just come back. Let me leave and come back. Maybe it has something to do with going to a new area. Oh yeah, look at that. It immediately starts happening again. Yeah, I mean, I get it. Oh, that's right. I need to remove runner in. I thought I did that already. Didn't I already do that? Hold, please. New area. There we go. I swear I already put this in place. Yeah, look at clear. So it's, why is it not clearing then? It was doing it before. Runner in. I mean, let's not put the if statement. Let's just clear it. I say. Because I really don't want it to be running when I go to another area. Whoa. Cool. Goodbye. Yeah, look at that shit. Invol still running, even though I went to a new area and cleared this. Man, I was so stoked when I thought that this worked. Let's try doing it here, maybe? I don't know. Let's try again. Alright. Nope. It does not like it. It does not remove. Okay, well shit. What am I gonna do? Okay. Oops. So, the only thing I can think of is... Wait, what? Why am I shooting? Ah, you idiot. Shooter int. Maybe that's why. Maybe. There we go. Clearing these both. But I need a shooter in. Okay. Orbem area. Enter area. Enter explore point. Enter new area. Let's try this again. Alright. Just because that was wrong doesn't mean this is going to fix it, but I feel like might. Sometimes things work. First try. Alright, cool. So that worked. Good, good, good. That console is gone. So that means that it is deleting the interval. It must have just... I set the shooter as the runner for some reason. So it must have just been having 2 intervals and only removing one of them. I don't even know. Hey, give me that. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, by the way, where the hell's my health? I already used it, probably. Dick. Okay. Another bug fixed. And let's see, what's another bug? Thanks. Good job. Appreciate it. I know. That's the little wins that really make you happy, right? I just, I'm telling you, man, the code's getting bigger, longer, more complex. So when I run into these little bugs that are like, what? I'm like, ugh, why? Oh, transport. At least now I can escape this guy by transporting. I definitely would like to get rid of the transition between areas. That's really ugly, you know? I hate that flash. But for some reason, when I enter a new area and I don't add a timeout, it gives the wrong position. So like I only have it at like 0.1 second, you know? But if I do 0, and I go transition. The wrong position. That still gave me a fucking... Yeah, why did that still give me a bad transition? That's weird. Yeah, see, it's still giving me a shitty transition, so... I'm interested in what that transition is. So let's think about this. Why do you need a little bit of time in order to set this properly? Like, why is this value wrong for a second. New map items. That's coming from, because it's coming from an API endpoint. But the API endpoint shouldn't change the value. Do the call, get all the new information. Remove the old map. Replace it. The map items with everything. Which takes a second to load. Bunch of new HTML items. So in that case, let's see if we can replicate the transition screen. Because I'm guessing what happens is this display none. No, maybe not, but it seems like the start screen shows for a second. Well, let's throttle the network and see what's actually happening. Oh, what? Oh, I should have muted. My bad. Yeah, okay. Why? Yes, slow network is detected. Okay, what is this? Welcome back. Why are you showing? Why is welcome back showing? So that means that this menu is showing for a second. Which... Overlays fixed. Display none. No, that's not what it looks like though. It's like showing that, but without styling. Because I'm deleting a bunch of stuff. I thought I was just touching the default map. So what am I doing? I'm taking the default map. Yeah. Add a bunch of stuff to it. Yeah. And I'm removing the previous map, which is default map. That's VG. Okay. Wait, why am I doing that though, if it's just all replacing? Ooh, I don't think we have to delete that. Okay. Delete old. Okay, so here's where the styles get deleted. And that's fine, because I'm replacing all the styles. Is that where the styles are for the main page? I didn't think so. Let's check here. Styles and scripts. Yep. Alright. Let me in. Okay. Yeah, okay. Map items. No, this doesn't touch anything else but the map items. Alright, let's see if what I did anything already. I am still slow network. Let's speed you up. No throttle. Go. Fast like bunny. Alright, let's get back to civilization. Oh, I have no idea where I am. Let's restart the game. And transport there. Alright, so let's see if the transition looks the same. It does. And it sent me to the wrong area again. Cool. I added that timeout back. Why is it still doing that? And why isn't my power regenerating? What the hell? Fix one bug and 3 more show up. What's new? What the hell? Why is it giving me the wrong destination? What do you use for responsive pages? What do I use? So, in this game, I had to do something different than I would use for web designing. So for web development, I would use just media queries, and I'd style things, and I'd develop it as mobile first as possible, right? So, I make everything. I like to use Flex, so I want to make all the elements kind of fall down to where they're supposed to be, and it's a mixture between UX and UI design and functionality as you develop the styles. So yeah, media queries just to make sure that the stylings work as it breaks down. But for this is a special case because the viewport is your camera to the game, right? So like when I'm moving around, it moves with me. And everything you see on this map is absolute positioned. So because it's absolute positioned, you need to be very careful with the containers, because my position is right here. You see how it says top 1649, left 1619? That is my position that changes. You see how it's changing as I move? So because these can't change, when I move the browser around, I can't have him getting pushed up with the bottom of the browser or pushed right or left. As you see here, look, he doesn't move, which originally he was, and it was really screwing with my calculations. See here, right and left, nobody moves. So I had to statically build this where everything is dependent on the map container, the positions are, and they themselves, if you look here, are absolute positions still. And it took some finagling, but basically what happens is on the container it's relative, and then I basically have to overflow hidden everything and not allow scroll. The only thing that can scroll in this is the system itself. So like I can't scroll left and right. I can't scroll up and down like I'm trying right now. I can't scroll. So I completely cut off everything that's not in the viewport and only allow the scroll to be controlled by the player itself. It uses the scroll to command. And yeah. So technically, responsively, this is going to be really easy to work with. And if you look at the current game, what happens is, I'll show you. Wow. Currently, the game, I built the game to work mobile. It was mobile friendly. So let's log in real quick. And you'll see I actually changed the way the controls work on mobile. You see here? You see now it's showing these arrows all around the character instead of the like keyboard characters, because it has touch events on mobile. So like when I click up, she moves up. Diagonal moves diagonal. So it's actually mobile friendly. You know, so technically it'll be, you know, a mobile game as well, which is something you can't do with a video game, right? You can't just take a PC game and make it mobile friendly and now it automatically is a mobile game. When you build your game into a website like this, you can do that. So yeah, you know, I can make everything have media queries and change based off of the browser width. So it can be played on a phone versus, you know, regular computer desktop. So yeah, that's what I do responsively. Now, if I can only figure out where the transition's coming from. My idea was to make like a mini loading screen, right? So when the user changes areas, if it flashes to like a loading GIF. But I'm having a hard time understanding what it's flashing to. Because I should be able to replicate it. Like if I, boom, get rid of the default map. Get rid of, you know, everything. If I get rid of the map, so it's white now. Yeah, it's just showing the collision points. Like get rid of, I don't even know. Can I see that responsive section code for mobile? Yeah, sure. So if we go into the code, so you'll see I have media only screen queries for anything under 480 pixels. So like all those little buttons on the top, like the leave map button. I have the sound control menu, items, item modal changes, which is part of map items. So this is just basically changing the positioning of the little pop-up text. And, you know, individually now, this is where the original game sucks. I used to position every single map item in styling. This is old. These aren't being used anymore. And this is how I would define on the map where things would go. Because I thought it didn't matter, you know. Like I didn't need to make it future-proof where I could add a billion items. And you see every single item has a new left position. Because before, on mobile, they were getting moved. Yeah, and the arrow in the start, I'll show you that. The touch buttons here, basically, I switch between the little buttons on the right to the touch buttons, which you actually could see in here. The touch buttons are here always. You see this grid? All those arrows that were showing up are right here. And I just basically, if it's mobile, I show them. So these grid points, when you touch them with your finger, they are a touch action. So on a phone, these are all the actions. So I basically make a 9-point grid on the phone that when you touch those sections on the phone, it moves the character in that direction. And I set that up like here. These are all touch events here. You see? Touch start, touch end. Each one of these is a mobile touch event. And what I do is when I do a touch event, yeah, it made sense logically to me to make sure that mobile touch would work the same way. And what I do is here, you see these D37 and 38. So those are the key codes on the keyboard. And basically, what I do is, once you get down to here, I use D whatever to determine what direction to move the character. So whether it's a touch event or it's a keyboard event, I say, you know, D37, let's just say that's the up key. If D37 is clicked from the keyboard, it'll move them up. And if the touch event up is clicked, I will set D37 as true, as if the up button was being clicked. That way they do the exact same thing. And I hope I can translate that all over. Pretty sure I can. I think it's still working right now. I mean, I guess we could test it real quick. Let's see. Let's put mobile on and see if touch buttons work. No, they'll still show. Where's my character? Oh yeah, look. So the touch buttons do work. I lost the character because he's not mobily. I haven't set him up. Oh, there he is. Hey, how's it going? But right now, his box is like 1,000 by 1,000. So he can move within that 1,000 by 1,000 square without scrolling the screen. So what I need to do is on mobile, make the box that he can scroll smaller. That way he scrolls the screen with his body, just like he does on mobile. Oh yeah, mobile's gonna be a whole new beast. But the mechanics are there. Ah shit, I'm stuck. No. And it should be really slick transition between the two. Like I said, that's kind of a benefit of having it being done on a website. Alright, got about 5 more minutes here before I need to pack in and get some sleep. Definitely some more bugs to deal with. I need to get this transition between areas working well. I just don't... I mean, that was quick, right? But it really depends on how fast the computer is running at the time, which I think right now is pretty good. Let's see, let's try again. See, you saw a little flash again. Saw the little flash again. Yeah, not ideal. So I really need to figure out, based off of the logic that I did for creating a brand new area, which is basically removing all the current default map items and replacing them with the HTML output of the REST route, and then replacing a style sheet with new style sheet with all the current items that are in the new area. So between those two, which one's causing the whole flash of the old screen? Because that shouldn't even be visible. And maybe it's as simple as making sure I can hide those things. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But yeah, I think this is a good stopping point. So tomorrow I don't stream, but Monday is gonna be another bug day. So hopefully I can get the screen transitions working. We already have the coordinates working fine, so I can cross out bug out. And maybe I'll fix the enemies a little bit. What I wanted to do was introduce a proximity function where they don't shoot or run at you until you get close enough. And right now it's just basically on. If they're there, you're there. They run at you, they shoot you. But it's not really realistic, and it's wasteful to have all those events happening for no reason. So I want to create a proximity feature of the enemies. So we're working on it tomorrow. We'll try to get the transition working better tomorrow as well. I mean, not tomorrow, Monday, sorry. And yeah, I think I'm pretty good for tonight. Ma7 Malvich, really appreciate you jumping on. Would you like me to raid a specific channel for you and get you over onto another Twitch? Because I only know a couple, so I'm not like 100% familiar with enough channels to be like, oh, let's do this guy. Let's see. Iron Mouse is on. You a fan of Iron Mouse? Let's see. I'm gonna get over to Stream Manager. Let's get some raids going. Let's put Iron Mouse on here. Ah, okay. Cool, man. Well, we're raiding. We're not allowed to raid Iron Mouse anyways. That's fine. I always raid the Ferret software channel. Anyways, so have a good night. I mean, have a good morning if it's 7 a.m. Get some sleep, man. And yeah, hope to see you again soon. Thanks for hanging out with me.